In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is find and install an app. So an app on the App Store like Card or Wallet Passes that supports adding NFC cards to Apple Wallet. So download and install it on your iPhone. Now open the app that you've just downloaded and find the option to add a new card or NFC tag. Simply follow the instructions, so the app will guide you through the process of adding the NFC card or tag. So this typically involves holding the card near your iPhone's NFC sensor or scanning the tag. Now add to your Apple Wallet. So after successfully detecting the NFC card or tag, the app will likely offer an option to add it to your Apple Wallet. Just follow the prompts to complete the process. Now you can test and use. So once added to Apple Wallet, you can access the card or tag like any other stored in the app. So test it to ensure it functions correctly when tapped or scanned. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.